Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how you can make easy pastry canapes. Choux pastry in mushroom and pumpkin style. Delicious dessert you can make at home for your friends and family. So let's do it! I'm gonna start with my top layer because these have to be frozen before baking. So I mix brown sugar, plain flour and butter inside the bowl. I'm gonna leave full recipe in the description down below so you can check it out. Then I split this mix into two parts. One I'm gonna mix with red color, which gonna be my mushroom, and the second one I try to do orange, so it looks like Halloween pumpkin. I'm not using any special spices, but if you want to be really creative, you can use some for sure. Next step is to roll it between two baking papers, nice and thin, and then I put it inside the freezer for at least 30 minutes to get hard. So my dough is inside the freezer, and now let's start with my choux pastry. I'm gonna need milk, water, plain flour, sugar, eggs, butter and salt. I start with mixing water, milk, butter, sugar and salt inside the pot. And again, if you want to be creative, you can put different spices or herbs to get different flavors. When the mix is boiling, I can put my plain flour and I'm gonna cook it for around 5 minutes together. Use medium heat and keep mixing because otherwise you're gonna burn it very fast. Now I can transfer it inside the machine with a whisk. I'm gonna leave it to cool down a little bit and then I start to adding eggs one by one. And you end up with nice dough like this. I transfer it inside a pipe and bag and let's do nice dots. You can do any size you want. Just make sure they are the same size, so they are cooking the same time. Now I can take my sheet from the freezer and I'm gonna make nice coins with pastry ring. This job you have to do very fast, otherwise it's gonna melt again. And you just put them on the top like this and let's bake it. The same thing I'm gonna do with my orange mix. You can be really creative with different colors and styles. And I bake it 12 minutes, 190 degrees Celsius, and then I change the temperature to 160 and I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes more. But of course you have to adjust these times depending on your size. And they are ready. I'm gonna leave them to cool down a little bit and let's decorate them. I'm gonna use cottage cheese in the small paper bag and I try to make it looks like mushroom. And if you enjoyed today's recipe guys, don't forget to smash the like button so more people can actually see it. For the second one, I mix cottage cheese with black coloring and I will try to make Halloween pumpkin. And yes, these nails are not mine. I gave this job to my girlfriend because she is much better at painting. You can be really creative with the taste and the look of these things. So I hope you like my two versions. And if you will do your own one, send me pictures of them on my Instagram so I can see how they end up. And the last thing I have to do is to give one piece to my food inspector so we find out how they taste. And he ate just the cottage cheese and the rest end up on the floor. And if you want to learn another dessert with choux pastry, check out this video and learn how you can make my delicious profiteroles with pistachio cream at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.